In this video, we explored Spokane, and it's a whopping 98 degrees with a high of 101 today. So we won't last long out in that heat. But we start out by just kind of exploring the area and walking across the bridge and looking at the water. So hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Okay, you think up there? Over there? What do you think? We knew there was a better viewpoint, so we just kind of walked around and asked a couple of people what was the right route to take and explored the area, but man, it sure is pretty. I see we got a mountain goat.
See the barn come over.
Are they stuck?
Huh?
Are they stuck?
Right there, look.
I see that, but I'm saying, are the people in there stuck?
No, it runs a little bit, stops, we're loading, unloading.
No, I see him down there walking.
Shame they're not utilizing that power plant. Shut it down.
That was one of the things I had planned on doing, was riding their Skyway, but it kept stopping and I wasn't entirely sure that they weren't having problems with it. So, and they're not air conditioned and it's 100 degrees. And we were in Telluride a couple of years ago in one that we got stuck in for about 20 minutes. They get hot fast, so we decided that maybe that wasn't our best choice for today. So we just kind of walked around and explored, and then we'll explore the town.
I know it's been a struggle. I know you've had some pain. I know you're feeling tired, held down by all the weight. Yeah, I know you're feeling lonely. Your smile ain't the same. Not sure of where to go from here. Feel like you've lost your way. Yeah. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, yeah, he's got a plan. Watch him rain down, got a miracle. Watch him rain down, got a miracle. up a fight. Oh, you're stronger than you think you are. Yeah, you're gonna be alright. You're accepted, loved, and valued. Beautiful, you're shining bright. Yeah, you're living, breathing, moving. You can hold your head up high. Yeah. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done yet, he's got a plan. Watch him rain down, the God of miracles. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, life is worth living. Watch him rain down, the God of miracles.
are all kinds of statues and ornaments and decorations around there and signage, and you could spend a lot of time reading all the um, information they have about the site and how they used it for power. And um, there's lots of statues, like we saw the mountain goat, and there's horses, and there's just all kinds of things, little statues around there. Very well done, and it was a beautiful walk around there. But did I mention it was hot? It was really hot. So there's some stores and all too. We're not so much into doing it all the stores and all. So we kind of just walked around, enjoyed that, read a little bit about it being used for power, the power station, and using it for the town. And then we decided to head on. We were going to do the Skyway. Way too hot for that. I did not want to. Well, neither one of us really were. We've done them before and thought, we'll pass it. It's just too hot if it stopped and there's no air conditioning in that. So we decided to take a drive around town and just explore the area that way. So I hope you enjoyed it. We just kind of will do a drive through and then head back out to the campsite so you can see the the casino RV parking lot. But very pretty area. They've done a lot with downtown. Keeping it nice and beautiful with all the stuff. There were some other things to do there. We did try to go to a couple of the museums, but they were closed when we went through. I'm not sure why, but if it was just bad timing on us or whatever. But so here we're just going to take a drive around town. I hope you enjoy it. Give you a look what to expect downtown and around.
I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said and done. There's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Cause something's broken and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me. I have tried, yeah, to become better. But I'd lie again if I said it'll last forever. I know I make mistakes, it's just the way I am. That's why you have to know. Yeah, there's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Cause something's broken and I'm the reason. It's not that easy long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side.
Much going on for
Thursday.
Across your face, it's written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away.
we open up in the evening. That's good.
If you wanna cry, just
Sure.
I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know it did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away. 'Cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave, brave, brave. We can hide away just for one night. Brave, brave, brave. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be
It's a prison.
I know you can be
Huh.
It's nice. You got us butted up right to a prison, Tim. What?
Turn right onto West Sprague Avenue.
Don't start with me, Vic. How in the heck was I supposed to know that? Didn't show on the map. Off-road vehicle park.
In 3/4 of a
You see
mile,
that?
at the roundabout, take the first exit onto
It's an
South
off-road vehicle
Kalispell Way.
park. I'll have to look see what that is, just for kicks. Look, a prison, Vic. Who knew? Because the road was blocked on the other road, we wound up having to go around the back way, which is by a prison. Who knew? But we're staying at Northern Quest RV Resort, and it is beautiful. There's a swimming pool. It is gated entry. Very nice RV park. They have shuttles that'll take you to the airport or Walmart or to the casino and pick you up, drop you off, all that. Really enjoyed our stay here. It is a beautiful park. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and we'll see you on down the road.
If I could go back there, take you in my arms,
You've entered the parking lot for your
tell
destination.
you how I
Where's
really
Jamie?
felt,
Arrived.
change the way it all played out. But man,
Don't be so
can I go
snarky.
backwards,
Oh, they're leaving.
backwards, backwards.
ones with the weird trailer.
Probably an airplane.
That's what it looks like.
Falling forward. Still, I wish I could go back. I wish I could go back.
Maybe let them wash here. They're washing this camper there.
Well, so you can wash ours.
What if I got soap?
I'm sure you can find some. Okay. I'm sure you have something out there. You were in Walmart. You could have gotten some.
If I had welcomed you, understood the look in your eyes, spent less time perusing the aisles, maybe turned my phone